Now the thing is that there is only one thing in the world that we need to really take care of. That is only our responsibility and not even God's. And that is the quality of the mind. That's the only thing that is what we are. It's like our little garden. You don't understand? This mind is the only thing that we really can control. Through our understanding, through meditation, through inquiry, through intelligence, this is the only thing, because most of life we can't control. Our thinking machine tells us, no, you can control everything. You can control everything, so you need to worry about everything because you can control everything. Most of life we cannot even slightly control. But what we can control is how our mind is, if it's free or not. That's a total freedom. So our ability to detach from the thinking machine is the one non-automatic thing that we surely can do. You see? It's moving away from the automatic, because automatic is wonderful that you wake up in the morning and you don't think, I need to brush my teeth, right? Nobody thinks every morning. Imagine that. Every morning you need to remember how to do stuff. You wake up, you go and you brush your teeth and you don't even think about it. Right? That's, most of our life is automatic, and that is good. Is habit. But in spirituality, you do the one non-automatic thing, one non-mechanical thing. That's the only thing that needs to be non-mechanical. Alive, new, fresh, untouched by habit, unconditioned. Because if this is untouched, non-mechanical, you can no longer suffer, ever. That's clear, right? That's what the Buddha said. Whatever happens, you cannot suffer anymore, because you have taken care of your garden. You are free from conditioning. That's why spirituality is sometimes, sometimes difficult. They say just relax, but if you are really taking it seriously, you can't really only relax, because you are like a salmon fish. You are trying to swim against the stream of the thinking machine, you see? So sometimes it feels like you're struggling within yourself. But every struggle that you have to become free and to be unconditioned is worth it, because it begins to create a momentum. At a certain point, this momentum will bring you to a state in which there is absolutely no effort. The thinking machine will become like a very, very distant echo that has no power over you anymore. It cannot promise you anymore anything. It cannot attract you to do certain things in the name of so-called happiness, because you are already happy. Because you don't listen to it.